Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily change polling rate on your STEELSERIES Prime mouse. So first, open the STEELSERIES GG app and go to Engine. In here, go to Gear and now click on Prime. And here on the right side we have polling rate and we can simply change it by sliding. Now click on Save on the down right corner and wait a bit. After you waited, it has been changed. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.